That's the most beautiful sunset I've seen in a long time, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome to Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Remember, smash that thumbs up and share it to a friend, to a friend, to a friend. Welcome to the channel. We're here doing some drop line fishing. We're here with Bryna. We're here with my G-Rev. And we're here with Rasta. Rasta's up there doing something else. We don't want him to come down. And we're just enjoying ourselves, guys. Just chilling out, doing some evening fishing. After long days of work, these guys are here hanging out with us tonight, guys. And this is how we're going to catch some fish. All right, so stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. I just got hit on my line a while ago. I got Rev out here. Still sunset. You're getting a hit. So I'm just going out to the end of the pier. Winding up and just preparing for that hit.
Immediately me start feeling it.
I got a wicked hit a while ago. There's some big snappers down here, bro.
Yeah. You still have pick. Let's get one nice pick a while ago, yeah? Come here.
Rev got something?
Fish on.
Fish on?
Hold on, no, I feel slack. I never seen
slack. He just picked and scared you. No, no. You ain't got nothing, bro. You need to bait up and send back out again. Send it back out. Oh shit, I just got another hit. Fish on. I got fish on, guys. Oh, fish on, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We got fishing on in the evening. We got dinner served, guys. This is Jamaican Shore Fishing, snapper hunting.
This is right.
This is right. Woo-wee. Fish on, guys. We got good fish on. What do we got here? We got two snappers. Not just one, but we got two. Rasta. Rasta. Strikers. That's what's up, guys. We're here with the fellas tonight. You know rum's drinking, so you know what's popping. Oh? Fish on? Oh! We got fish on already over here again. We got Red with fish on again tonight, guys. Look. Active. We're active tonight, guys. Fry tonight. Fry tonight. Fry tonight. Fry tonight. Brah. Fry tonight. Fry tonight. That's what's up. Fry tonight. That's what's up, guys.
What a boy, funny size though.
One more clap.
Dark teeth. Eh?
Fry.
Dark teeth.
Yeah. And I got a Rinchi, and I got a snapper, and a grunt. A Rinchi.
Is right.
Look. And you got a snapper. Look at this dog tooth snapper. Look at the size of this fat boy. This is a grunt. Big. This is a nice grunt.
Oh yeah, one grunt.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nice size, Jerry.
You enjoying tonight? So, you enjoying your fishing date?
You never take like. I went there, looking in our head.
So enough people wouldn't even understand. Us guys, yeah, we have fishing dates. We go fishing together. We enjoy the shit out of ourselves, guys, and catch fish.
Which is right.
And which is right. We catching food because we're frying tonight. Rasta and yo, we're gonna enjoy ourselves tonight, guys. Just stay tuned, because this is not the end of the video. This is just the beginning. We just started. So we're gonna cast out again. See if we can pick up some more. That's what's up. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Outside. Woo! Yeah, guys. Out there. Well, again, see my line. Just pay attention to my line, all right? It's over your head. Look, it's over your head. To the right. I'm always to the right. I'm always to the right. I'm behind you. Hold up, I'm gonna set it up higher. I'm getting hit already. I'm getting hit again. Haha. Oh damn. On again? Oh, fish on. I got fish on again. I got fish on again, bro.
Feel like sitting there on it, but you don't feel like sitting there on it.
Probably the bait. But I know I have fish on for sure. You got something on?
No, get a bit of care.
Yeah, hold on. Let me. I got fish on right here. I got fish on again. Fry.
Fry.
Tonight's fry night. Open up. Oh, slide it. Just slide it that way. No, you have to hold it on the back, yeah. Alright. Alright, fry. We're not pampering nothing tonight. Tonight is like food. Find food quickly. Fry. A lie. One line. Uncut. No holds barred tonight. Yeah, guys, go outside, doing it. That's what's up. We got fish on again. What's going on here, bro? Fish on again, right? Yo, fry. Fry. This is bigger. And come off. This the one come off. Rasta, we have dinner in there already, you know? Fry. Fry.
You're playing to already with it?
Yeah. You can switch off, man. One rig in there, man. Find one rig. 1 ounce rig most in there.
You sure do want to out this up?
Eh?
No, we have to take and show the something like that.
You get one ras, one grunt, look wild. Parry. Now I tell Rasta to get one nice grunt, look wild.
Oh, I'm not sure. Wait, son.
Oh.
No, wait, look. Yes, I have one line in there.
Look at Brian. Watch him. Then ring the bell. Boom, booklet. Brian, a big fish.
Fish on.
A big fish, Brian.
Yeah, man, that's what I shake you.
Big fish. Brian, a big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big snapper. Big grunter snapper. Active. Active Jamaican shore fishing. We're active tonight, guys. Yeah? No, you didn't get stuck. Fish probably went in the hole. Woo-wee.
Fry, fry.
Fry, fry.
Big boy.
Fry, fry. Fry, fry, Brian. Fry, fry. Brian, fry, fry.
Fry, fry. Igloo attack. Igloo say, yeah, fill me up.
Fry, fry, Brian. Oh, put him in there, Rasta. Fry, fry.
No, but no.
Active tonight, Brian. Yeah. You get something? Are you still stuck? Huh? Rasta, show him how to unstuck. Fry, fry, guys. No, because I dropped my line, that's why. Show him how to unstuck. Brian, so when you go home tonight, you're supposed to eat good dinner tonight. As my G, you're supposed to eat some good dinner tonight when you left us tonight. Because we'll catch fry, fry. Brian, look at yeah. Oh, ahead, man. The worst scenario if you can't get no ride, me carry done.
You get right, man. It's coming.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Big up yourself. Here, Brian?
Yeah, man. I'm on.
All right, cool, bro. When I come, Russ. Can I have one rig for you? Yeah. Cool, active.
Yeah.
Calm down.
How much I got, Jerry? I lost that rig.
Eh? Find another rig. See if,
Yeah.
yeah, go on and come, Crow. You guys, we're hunting for food tonight. This is not a joke. We're hunting for food tonight like we don't have food at all to eat. So that's the whole method of what we have here. A little bit of bait and whatever we catch is food. So this is the rule of the game tonight, guys. Catch food to eat and survive. So whatever we can catch to eat, that's what it is. If you're in a survival situation and you can't get food, you can't get nothing to eat, this is what we have. So pretend it's a situation like that, guys, and this is where it's at. All right. Oh, fry, fry. Fry tonight, guys. We ain't playing tonight. No holes barred tonight, guys. We're hooking grunts, we're hooking snappers, we're hooking all sorts of fish tonight. And we're going on good tonight, guys. No joke.
That's it.
Fry. Everybody caught a decent sized fish tonight. Alright, let's bait up again, Rasta. Rasta broke his ducks, everybody broke their ducks. We're running low on bait, bro. I think this is it after that. We'll probably go upstairs and just fry these fuckers up. Fry these bad boys up. That's what we're gonna do, guys. Fry. We got some nice fish that we can fry tonight. We'll just clean them up and fry them up. That's what's up. Baiting up tonight. And we get this line back out in the line again. Yeah. All right, let me get him off here. All right, we got Rev out here too. Rev's about to get it on. Hi, Rev. Go ahead, bro. Got him? Get him? All right, let's get this bad boy out.
Right there again.
Hold there, Rasta. You that thing. You know the run. Yeah. Just what you do, try to get to the end of the pier to lift it over that reef, because there's a reef that goes across. And you have to come over it. You understand? So that's why they try to swim down. Yeah. No, I'm gonna record it. I'll record when you see that. Get some nice grunts tonight. That's good. Keep tension on that line. If you feel it get loose, tension it. Tension it. If you feel it get loose, don't drop your hand. If you feel something, hold on, Russ. Wait till it runs. Wait till it runs. When it runs and keeps going. That's what's up. Night fishing, guys. That's what's up. That's the day, so I'll go on doing thing. You see it, guys? Outside. I'd probably get my other light out. I think I have it here. Hold on. One camera, one light. Supposed to be here. Oh, it's in the other pocket. Yep. I get it. Yeah, guys. So we're on the dock, night fishing. Trying to see what's up. No bite yet. Let me see some. Hold it. Hold the light. Had to move it, create a little motion, and just let them know that it's there. So once they hear that motion in the water, or they see it, they're gonna go for it. What's that? What's that over there? Hold it. Keep tension on it. Don't bite on your side yet? Not yet. Cast forward and go to the right a little bit. Try to cast, pull in and cast and go forward. Bait back up and send back out to the right a little bit. Just don't go over this next line, alright? Yeah. There you guys, so there you guys. Got the team moving. Oh, you seen that? You felt that? That was a bite. Right? Hold on, wait. See it again, he's hitting it, but he's not hitting it good enough. You see when the rod dips the right way and he runs off? That's when you know, when he runs off. That means the hook got him, he's trying to get away. He's just circling. That's what they do. Got Rev out there. You baited up back again? Bait up, set your line good. Rebait up back again. So we're doing a little bit of drop line fishing tonight. Rasta's here tonight doing drop line fishing. Not his normal lure fishing thing, but different type of vibes. Though. Rasta nailed it on the first night too. So guys, that's what's up. Alright guys, stay tuned. We are out here. Hey, say Rev, watch my line. Fry.
Baby, me have him a come in for no
Ja.
That's the one I time I like get light.
Rev caught a rinchy. You know, so then
And
fry
belly
tonight,
there all I come
guys.
and he can't do nothing.
Rinchy fry tonight. That's what's up, guys.
So me have him a wheelie man. Me saying get light pan the line.